One way to manage your Galaxy S24 storage is to disable the auto download on WhatsApp. This feature can quickly consume your phone's storage space, especially if left enabled. Here's how you can turn it off. First, open WhatsApp, and if you're not already signed in, please do so. Tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen to reveal more options. From here, select Settings. Next, find and tap on Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, tap on When using mobile data. Deselect all of the boxes next to the types of media that you want to stop from auto downloading when using mobile data. Then, tap OK to save your changes. Now tap on When connected on Wi-Fi and repeat the same process. Uncheck all the boxes and tap OK. Lastly, tap on When roaming. If there are any media types that are checked, deselect them unless you use WhatsApp when you're roaming. Remember, these settings are dependent on your needs. Make the necessary adjustments to ensure WhatsApp works best for you. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching.